Welcome to Saturday, June 1st, 2013 in wonderful White Oak / Falmouth, Virginia. And you can hear the infamous cicadas all up here in these trees. You see a whole bunch of these holes. These holes are where the cicadas came out of the ground. Show you something over here in a second. Now here are some holes. And here are a ton of, not carcasses per se, but these are the shells. They molted a couple of times after they came out of the ground. Let me get on a shadow here. Okay, here you go. Here's more of them. Pretty impressive, huh? And more holes and things like that. So yeah, year of the cicada, 2013. Going on strong.